How's everybody doing today? Alrighty then, let's get right onto it. This is problem 3, 129 from your CPM Course 1 textbook. I am, of course, Mr. Marcus. Name the endpoints of the segment shown on the graph below. Alright, what segment are we talking about? I believe it's this guy right here. So these are our endpoints. This is our segment. Perfect. So we're going to name these guys, okay? And then what is the length of the segment? Write an absolute value expression to show how to calculate the length of the segment. Wow, what a loaded problem. In a little, in such a short little sentence there, a couple sentences. Okay, so first, what is this endpoint here? Well, where is it on this axis here? I know that all points have some x coordinate and some y component, some x component and some y component. So where is this point located? Well, if I go along the x first, and so I say, well, to get to here from 0, I would go over to 1, 2, 3, 4. So I would go over to 4. So this point is at 4, comma, and then where is it on the y? This point is located up 1, 2, 3 at 3. So if I go over to 4 and then up to 3 on the y-axis, that is that point, 4, comma, 3. These are my positive x's. So if this point is 0, 0, called the origin, this is the origin at 0, 0, I go over 4 positive on the x and up 3 positive on the y. So what about this guy? This guy's over here in the negatives. So for this endpoint here, from 0, I'm going to go over to negative 4. 1, 2, 3. That's negative 4. And go up 3. So that's the point negative 4, comma 3. So I've named the endpoints, check. This point is at 4, comma 3. This point is at negative 4, comma 3. And what is the length of the segment? Well, what they're getting at is, and then write an absolute value expression to show how to calculate it. So if I look here, I could say that, well, how far apart is this? I could count the distance between it. So let's count the how long is the segment here. Tongue is twisted up today. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 units long. However, they want to ask you from this point here, from 0, right? This is 0 here, from the middle here, from the y-axis. What's the distance this point is away from 0? In other words, if I take 4, what's the distance that this point, the x-coordinate, is from the origin here, from the y-axis? It's 4 away. And if I take that distance and add it to, well, this distance here, how far away is negative 4? So this is the absolute value of 4, the distance it is from 0. And then how far away is negative 4 from 0? Plus the absolute value of negative 4. So here's our absolute value expression. And I know that 4, this point here is 4 away from the y-axis from 0 here. And I know that negative 4 is also 4 away from 0. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 away from 0. So in total, we have 8 units. 8 units is the length of the segment. The segment. All right, have a good one.